Hello everybody, and thank you for stopping by. This is Sierra from Sierra T Designs, and I just have a really quick video for you showing you how I've been storing my domed foams. So I'm going to show you right now. So I designed these graphics, these images on Illustrator, and they've got little squares for each of your foams. And I don't have all the foams yet. I've got some more on order, but I don't have them all filled in. And then on the other side of this one, I also left 12 empty spaces for the new Oxide colors that are supposed to be coming out this year, Speckled Egg being the first. However, I made this before Speckled Egg was out, so that one's not on there, but I'm just going to take a little Sharpie and I'm going to write Speckled Egg into the color, and that's in that little square, and that's what I'm going to do with all of the extra 12. But I just wanted to show you guys this really quick and know that I have step-by-step instructions on my blog, and I also have a free download of these images. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.